Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Haki Arsnam Gata Hausnam Ajar Polai Arajar Posau, but Ajar Posau Arajar Posan, Ka Sorkar Klapinlut Sau Poklur San Pulai Lak Arpusau Ajar Sanspa San Pratingka Nagabintaban Ajing Arab Shekilanot Kiblasha Linshop Hakabor Mariang. Hausnam Arajar Polai Arajar Posau Ka Sorkar Kla Ajing Arab Nyoklur Nyolak San Puajar Tingka Kat Bahausnam Arajar Posau Arajar Posan Haduk Menta Kla Ajing Arab Lai Pulai Klur Sapusan Lak Nyopusau Ajar Sanspa San Pratingka Shekilanot. Kini kalongkat kum kejubab tu Menteri Kabinet Revenue and Disaster Management ubak kermen Shela haya norbar tauan jang kejela haba jubab ikijingkeli blawanra du MLA ke UDP nanong po constituency ubak Middle Bonds aim. Kini kejingarap kede habur ke district jang kejela.
Okay, can go ahead. Due to paucity of time. Sir, thank you so much.
Okay, I'll go ahead, sir.
The reply is too long.
You asked too long.
Please go ahead. I stand corrected.
Sir, answer to start question number 35A. So the total amount that the government have spent paid to the victim or beneficiaries during the natural calamity within the financial year 2023-24, 24-25 district-wise, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong, 23-24, 78 lakh 37,500, 24-25, 4 crore 85 lakh 88,966. West Khasi Hills District, Nongstoin, 23-24, 63 lakh 37,500, 24-25, 2 crore 44 lakh 94,090. Riboy District, Nongpo, 55 lakh 23-24, 55 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 6 crore 81 lakh 96,290. West Garo Hills District, Turan, 23-24, 58 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 1 crore 58 lakh 5,000. West Janti Hills District, Jowai, 23-24, 54 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 1 crore 11 lakh 41,780. East Garo Hills District, William Nagar, 23-24, 59 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 2 crore 38 lakh 29,060. Southwest Garo Hills, Wagmara, 23-24, 59 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 2 crore 12 lakh 15,500. Southwest Khasi Hills District, Mau Karwat, 23-24, 58 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 1 crore 36,900. East Janti Hills District, Cleared, 23-24, 54 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 81 lakh 39,200. Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Mairang, 23-24, 54 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 8 crore 3 lakh 28,972. North Garo Hills District, Resbalpara, 23-24, 54 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 1 crore 35 lakh. Southwest Garo Hills District, Ampati, 23-24, 54 lakh 37,500. 24-25, 92 lakh 98,800, which is a total of 23-24, 7 crore 7 lakh 50,000. For 24-25, a total of 33 crore 45 lakh 74,558. B, sir, the step taken by the government regarding immediate relief of the natural calamities are: 1. Advance fund is placed at the disposal of the Deputy Commissioners every year with an additional amount in the event of a severe calamity to meet urgent expenditure due to natural calamity under his jurisdiction. 2, sir, in order
You may please sit. This question hour is over.